Have you ever finished a pen that just didn't look right? Maybe one side was a little thinner than the other, maybe it was just a little bit off, and you didn't know why? There are many reasons why your pens may not come out just right, but today we're only going to discuss 3 reasons for you. One of the first items we're going to discuss is drilling your pen blank. And for wood, we recommend using a brad point bit versus a jobber's point bit. When using a jobber's bit, it can wander when you first start and enlarge the hole on one end of your blank. Instead of using a jobber's bit, use a brad point bit, which will give you a nice clean hole without wandering. And remember to relieve the bit often to avoid heat buildup. Some quick tips on drilling. Drill on the lathe whenever possible. Clear the chips often. Let the drill bit cut, don't force it. But even if you drill the perfect hole, you're still not ready to glue. And why? We need to inspect that hole before gluing. This is probably the easiest step to skip. Most people drill the hole and they don't inspect the inside of it at all. They reach for the glue. They never look inside. And once the tube is glued in, it's permanent. A quick checklist. Things to look out for that take less than 10 seconds. That the hole is centered, the hole is clean, there are no cracks, no wandering, the tube slides in smoothly. Think of it as your final quality control check before you glue your tube in. Now let's assume the tube is glued in, it's all squared up, and it's ready to go. However, you can still ruin this blank before you make your first cut. This one catches a lot of people off guard. You want to make sure that your mandrel is not bent and it's running true. From time to time, test your mandrel. Place it on a flat surface. Roll it back and forth. If it wobbles, then replace it. However, if the mandrel is bent when turning, the pen blank will follow it. Some quick tips. Don't over-tighten this nut. If you do, you can cause a little bend in this and your mandrel. Secondly, don't over-tighten this. When you're putting too much pressure on this again, you can slightly bend the mandrel. And my biggest tip is use a mandrel saver. So before you turn any pen, ask yourself these 3 questions. Is your hole drilled straight? Did you inspect the hole before you glued your tube in? And is your mandrel straight? If you've answered those 3 questions correctly, then you have a really good chance of making a nice pen. In closing, which one of these has caused you the most trouble? A bent mandrel? A hole that was drilled improperly? Or wandering a little bit? Let me know in the comments which one you've had experience with before. And, as usual, happy turning.